Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my 2024 BMW M2, and in this video we're going to be going on a little night drive, going over some thoughts on the car, some POV driving, and we're also going to get some Dragy testing as well. It's a pretty good day out today. It's about like 50 degrees or so. We're going to kind of see what this car can do as far as like 60 to 130, 0 to 60, quarter mile, if of course we find a place in Mexico to do so. So definitely stay tuned. Let's go ahead and hop inside, get on the POV camera, and get going. All right, guys, got you all set up on the POV camera now. Let's go ahead and get this thing started up. Nice little rumble. Oh man, I miss this car. I've been driving the Mach-E. I had the Mach-E as a demo from my job since I'm an EV purchase specialist, and I really miss driving my M2, so we're gonna take it out tonight. All right, let's see here. Get that going. Let's get our heated seats going here. Heated seats, and I have the heated steering wheel. Paid $200 for it, so you know for sure I'm gonna use it. Oh, it looks like it was already on. Okay, there we go. By the way, guys, you don't need to warm up your car for 5 minutes before you take off. Just 30 seconds is fine. All right, this is kind of sketch because usually I go down this at an angle. I think it has good ground clearance though. Let's find out. Yep, we're good. Headlights are amazing on the M2. When I first got the car, the headlights were aimed a little high. But it's really easy. It's just a screwdriver. You can adjust the headlights, so I adjusted them down just a little bit so that they don't shine in people's eyes, but they still light up the road nicely. By the way, this car, the heated seat and the heated steering wheel get going real quick. I love this steering wheel. Oh, I miss driving this car so much. It's a really fun driving experience driving this car. Just get a little feel. This car is really quick. If you guys haven't seen it, I did race a 2021 Supra. That's the one with the 382 horsepower, and I did beat it by a pretty significant margin. So I'm pretty proud of this car for being able to do that well against the Supra. You know, I understand the Supra, you know, isn't like some sort of race car, but it is really quick, even in stock form. So this car has been really impressing me with the performance versus like cars it's been racing. But we'll see if it puts good times down, like, you know, as far as like 0 to 60 and quarter mile and stuff, because obviously that's much harder with rear wheel drive, you know, trying to get like good launch times and all that stuff. And I'll try the right lane. I think there might be less rocks over here. All right, here we go. First try. Okay, launch control was not on. Oh. That's why. It needs to be in the third shift setting. That's my fault. I had it in level 2. There we go. Well, let's try this again. Here we go, round 2. That launch was kind of crappy, like it bogged a little bit, but man, this car moves. Oh man. What the hell? Oh my gosh. I didn't even get it because the Dragy satellites are not working right. All right, let's try this. see what we did on that time. Oh, that one was verified, so that's good. we did a 12.1. 12.1 at 120.43. So this is with having that terrible launch. The 0 to 60 was 4.35. And if you do 1 foot rollout, that would be 4.09. So 0 to 60 was pretty good, considering, and then the quarter mile was pretty good at 12.1 at 120.43. So it's still technically faster than my Golf R. I mean, granted, I haven't done my Golf R in this weather. Time-wise, obviously trap speed is much higher. This one is 120.43, so that's really good. And just so you guys know, 2,400 feet elevation, 50 degrees, 1,900 feet DA is what Dragy's saying on here. Not bad. 60 to 130 on that run was 9.97. Oh, let's get a sequential mode here. There we go. Yeah, 60 to 130 was 9.97. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think my Mustang on E85, my best run ever, was still not even 9.97, 60 to 130. So this car, stock, me doing it just on this random road out here, is still faster than my E85 catback exhaust 10-speed Mustang GT with good tires. Not drag radials, but these same exact tires actually Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. So this car in stock form, even though it only makes quote-unquote 453 horsepower, is still faster than my E85 tuned 10-speed GT that made 450 wheel horsepower on a dyno. And that's with SAE, not standard, because standard has higher numbers. All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. M2 mode, sequential. We're gonna try doing a quarter mile test. Alrighty, do a stop. Got our launch control going. Holy crap. We just did a 11.8 quarter mile there. Oh my god, that's insane. We just did a 11.8 at 122. Wow. That's incredible. Because guys, in my 10-speed GT with the E85, I did it on that exact road right there. And my Mustang GT, I think, did 11. I'll put it up on the screen, but this one has a higher trap speed, so that is really incredible. Wow. Got it in sequential mode. Okay, let's get our launch control going. Trying to beat the 11.8. Yeah, we didn't. I don't think. We didn't get a good launch that time. I don't think. It's still really impressive though. Really happy with the car. I want to know what you guys think of those results in the comments, and that's with our bad conditions, because that's 2,500 feet of elevation and a 2,000 feet DA. 50 degrees, so the temperature is perfect, but the conditions are not ideal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for future M2 videos and Golf R videos and comparison videos. I'll be making all of those, and I will see you guys in the next video.